Everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to search on OpenAI. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open official website of OpenAI and make sure you are logged into it. Now in order to search on OpenAI, what you're gonna do is click on that search bar which is located at top left. Click on it and there you can search any documentary or any question or any kind of information and you will easily get the answer. So that's how easily you can search on OpenAI. I hope you found the video to be informative and helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.